Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to really get into some eye work. Nothing too dramatic, but I wanted to give like something very sexy. So don't mind me. I was really feeling my hair. I haven't did a side part in a while, so it was like, you know, you get in front of the camera, you start looking at yourself. I was like, oh my God, look at me. I look so good. But anyhow, yes, y'all, look at that skin. I have been continuously doing my skin routine, and I am so proud of myself because I am still on track with doing a skin routine every day. And because I'm proud of myself because, like I told you guys in the last video, I never really had a skincare routine. And so like doing this now, I look forward to like, you know, the results and just like the different products that's out there. I don't know. It's just like now you would have thought that I was into this for years, but I am like so addicted to it now. So, you know, I'm going to keep you guys on the journey on, you know, how, if I like, or if I find something new that's out there that works for me, I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated on that. And so, you know, but I'm definitely feeling, you know, that process and how the longevity it helps with my makeup. So I know you guys are wondering why I haven't been dropping videos consistently in these past few weeks. And it's because, well, my birthday is coming around the corner. My birthday is May 1st, and I will be celebrating it the weekend of the 25th of April. And so right now I'm like getting my body together, like exercising, detoxing, doing all type of things. You know how us girls do. We gotta look a certain way, and I've ordered all these outfits because like this year I decided this is my last year in my 30s because I'll be 39. And I was like, you know what? I'm not a big clubber, and I never was. So this year I'm gonna do like a last year in my 30s party all weekend. So like, you know, I've booked a room in the city. I'm also, you know, I made reservations at, you know, different little nightclubs. So, you know, I look forward to partying with my friends and family and stuff like that. So, yeah, so right now I'm just trying to get myself together for my birthday. But the thing is, and I cannot wait because, you know, as I'm going through the journey, I have been recording myself. And so when I do drop my birthday video, you guys are going to see like the past month of me getting myself together, from weight loss to finding outfits, and also maybe getting a new car, and just, you know, all type of things. You guys will be able to see that in the birthday vlog that I would be probably dropping the week of my birthday. So yeah, so, you know, outside of this video I probably won't post again until then, because it's just, right now, you know, when you're trying to get yourself together, it's like between me being a mom and working and just living life in general, I really don't have the time with me, you know, putting in exercising into my schedule and like different things like that. I don't really have the time to do videos, and cheerleading season is still on, and you guys already know how that is. But the good news is that, well, it's not good news because, you know, we do like cheering, but the last competition is in end of April. So that's another reason why, you know, I was like, you know what, let me just get a video out, but, you know, let them know that I will be back the week of, you know, doing a vlog for my birthday. So look out for that, because it's probably I'm gonna try to make it like an hour long. I've never did an hour long video, so it's gonna be like, you know, but like I said, I don't want to give out too much, but I can't wait. Like, I'm really gonna like really put all my everything into this video, and then from there, you guys we would be back consistent. But I just had to let you guys know like the update on what's going on and why I haven't been posting. But your girl been wanting to post, don't get me wrong, I have, especially when I get my hair done. Like, it's like, oh my God, I want to do a video, but in time. And you know, you guys, when I do post another video around my birthday, I want you guys to like see, like, can you notice the weight loss in my face from like previous videos I've had? You know, I always wondered that, like, you know, at least I can see it, but I wonder if other people can see it. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like, you know, even with this video, have y'all noticed a little weight loss in the face? Because usually I normally, or at least I feel like that, I have like a double chin, and I've been working on it, and it's been really hard. You girls know how it is, dieting and things like that, eating things that you normally love to eat. And it's not even eating with me. I love sodas, and I can pop like 20 sodas in one day. So it's really been hard for me not to do that and just drink water. But I've been doing really good. And I'm like, this is like week 3 of me working on like my birthday body. And that's what I'm calling it. Because I like ordered a bunch of clothes that I purposely ordered in a smaller size. So I have no choice but to get this weight off. So I can't wait to do a reveal, and you guys see how I look for my birthday and all the little things that I have planned and things like that. So look out for that. But before I go, y'all already know what I'm getting ready to say. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and put on those notifications so y'all don't miss out on the videos that I drop. And y'all definitely don't want to miss out on the birthday vlog that I'm going to drop. So put on those notifications, because like I said, I'm going to do an hour-long birthday vlog, so you guys will be able to see everything that I've been up to in the past month. So now that we're done with this life update, let's get into this video, because you guys, this look is so cute. It came out so pretty. I love how it was dramatic but classy at the same time. It wasn't too much. I like to have a cute eye, but I don't like eyes that are like too dramatic. And I love that it was still kind of settled, but it still gave looks. But anyhow, enough with all that talking. Let's get into this video, and I see you guys in the birthday vlog.
On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't give them no time, that's how we stay up.
How we up, but you stay down. Real nigga from the ad, better pay out. Spending time wind down, what is takeout? And when I'm in them walls, you feel it in your bones. I've been on the road, this choke that I hold on your soul got me making up for days out. Got you singing tones till you laid out. It feel like what we on never fade out.
Fade out, fade out. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby, say please and thank you, cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Show a little appreciation, cause your lover stayed. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Niggas clout chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah, yeah. Told him that I give him life, he said, right. Now we can't leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you here for the ride.
Only for love, why your exes can't get enough. Man. They trying in line, they down on their luck. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't pay them no mind, that's how we stay up. Niggas DM, don't know where to leave it. I post a pic, they comments be tweaking. Usually won't, but sometimes I read them. Leave them on red, I swear I can't please them all. But when it comes to you, I know how to handle that, boss. Even stay faithful while you was doing me wrong. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby, say please and thank you, cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. So put that on me for my baby, cause I always stay down. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Niggas clout chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah, yeah. Told him that I give him life, he said, right. Now we can't leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you in for the ride.
I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose, yeah. I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you, yeah. Everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable, yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a whole supposed to be, but self-doubt comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better myself to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, to not have the style to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her and not me? Better than me. Try not to hate myself, lose confidence. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved.
With every breath I'm sinking, always ecstatic. I'm alright.